That's old. That's old. Yeah, that's old.
The aircraft that we sling loaded today, just a piece of history, and it's getting repainted. So it's put on display at Camp Dodge. So we were just helping the state out and moving this aircraft across the state.
I don't know if you can do anything about it.
Yes, downed aircraft recovery is something very important. Not only in experience, but in a timely manner as well. And today we're just fighting the clock for the end of the duty day. But when it comes to the mission, then it could save lives, it could save equipment, and so yeah, something like today is great practice when it comes to the real world mission that we have to do. Yeah, so the rigging is very special. So today fell under two different categories, a unique load and aerodynamic load. So the unique load essentially is we have to be creative and find a way to properly and safely secure the aircraft. And the aerodynamic aspect is basically how is it going to fly in the air. And when it's an aircraft lifting another aircraft, something that has tendencies to react to different wind and gusts, it can be something to really pay attention to. So slowly but surely and just with experience is the best way to get around it. The very first time that I saw Chinook and got curious was pheasant hunting. One actually flew over, and as you mentioned before, we rarely fly on the western side of the state. So for me to see a Chinook on the western side, it just really got my curiosity. And one day when I found out that it was an opportunity and something that I'm qualified for, I jumped on it. Yeah, before I was a full-time guy, yeah, driving across the state, basically as you know, lower enlisted, my check only covered my gas, and yeah, but it was purely for the experience and the fun and just seeing what it could turn into. And I'm 8 years into it now, and it's for sure going to be a career that I'm going to see all the way through.